Hello buddies, welcome to Talk Show on Complete. Hi! With me, I'm Nadatia Haidar, and we have two special guests over here, the pretty girls. Hi! May I know your name, girls?
Yes, hello guys, my name is Andriana.
Hi Adriana.
Hi! And how about you?
Okay, thank you so much for having me. Hello everyone, my name is Mila.
Hi, Mila. So, basically, in this podcast, we're gonna talk about contemporary literature. So, the definition about contemporary literature is a term that refers to works of prose, poetry, and drama published in 1945. So, in the literature, it has some themes actually, but we're gonna talk about one of them. So it's called fan fiction.
Oh,
Have you ever heard about fan fiction before?
yeah, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So, can you tell us about what's your favorite fan fiction movies?
Okay, maybe I'll go first.
Okay.
Romantic fan fiction is my go-to genre, and the movie, The Idea of You, it's my favorite movie. It's an adaptation story from the Harry Styles fan base. So it's basically about a 40 years old mom with her teenagers daughter. She has an affair with a musician that the daughter adores so much,
Oh.
and it's maybe it's some impossible storyline, but it's fun.
Oh.
That's why I like it.
Oh, that's cool. And how about you? Do you have some or movies or something else?
Okay, thank you Nada. Okay guys, I really love about one of the movie, and maybe you guys already like familiar with this movie
Oh,
because this movie is very popular, I think. Do you know about The Dark Knight, Batman? Watch it before?
I haven't actually.
Okay.
But,
Oh my god, me too.
I've heard it. Can you tell
But
us?
we know it.
Yeah.
It's popular.
Yeah, you can tell the readers.
Okay. If I'm just saying that she really like about romantic, and for me, I really like something like action or thriller. So I go with The Dark Knight as my favorite movie. This movie tell about the struggle of the Batman because he is already like want to make a change. So there's a city that called Gotham City. The city is full of violence and a lot of like bad people here and bad people there. I mean, so the Batman, like just an ordinary man, but he really want to change the city. So he want to make a revolution about the city, and he become a hero for the city. Something like that. I really love about the hero.
Like, but I'm curious, why do you like those movies? I mean, like, first you like the stories, or you like the actors maybe, or the subtitle or something? Can you
Yeah.
tell?
For me, I love how the idea of you brings a delightful escape from reality, because like what I said before, it's like impossible story, but it's end up with this it's out of the box for me.
Oh.
And it's a good movie that maybe can reminds us it's okay to have a big dream, such as marrying our K-pop idol maybe.
Oh.
It sounds like, oh my god, it's impossible, but it's okay. We can, and love can blossom at any age, even it's on mama in 40 years old age. It's everything, it's maybe can be reality for us if we want to try it.
Oh. And how about you?
Okay, for me, the one reason that why I chose this Batman become my favorite movie because there is a moral value in this film. I really love about the moral in that film. The film teach us about how we gonna choose about our life. We can make a decision. Maybe some people like they through about the trauma in their past, but they can choose their life, their future life. They're gonna be right person or something opposition. Okay, so Batman here as the icon that we can follow the Batman to become a right person that follow their heart. I think like that. That's the moral value that I really impressed with this movie.
Oh. So, okay. That was so cool, you know? Both of you guys, actually. I have a question. Is there anything in that movie that can change you or your perspective or inspires you?
From my movie, I admire how the idea of you tell us about the personal growth, and from the protagonist one, it's she is Selene, and divorced wife and a mom gitu, and we have to focusing in our own happiness, and we become more attractive to others if we are opened ourselves up, and we we have a new possibilities into it. That's
Oh, that's cool, eh? And what about you?
Okay, for me. Oh, wait a minute. I forget. What's the question?
So, is there
Okay.
is there
Oh, something
anything
that-
in that movie
okay,
that
okay.
can change your
I see.
perspective or something?
Okay, as what I said before, that this movie really made a motivation for me as a person, guys. Because, yeah, like what I said before, since Batman chose to be a right person who become a hero for the city, even he already like through the worst or something like that make him trauma, and actually the Batman through something like her parents passed away because they killed by someone at the city. But he chose to be right person instead of he's going to the revenge to the someone who do that, but he become to the hero. So there's no someone can feel that in the future like that. So this is something that I bring to my life. No matter how bad someone treat me, I'm gonna choose to be right person, and I'm not going to revenge someone. Oh my god.
So deep.
it touched me.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm impressed. Actually. So, another question. If given the chance to change the ending of a movie, what movie would you change and what would you want? Or maybe we can start with Naila.
Okay. Okay. One movie I would like to change in the ending, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know, guys, Joker film?
Mm.
Yeah. Is I think some similar with Batman, but they are opposite. Why I said it? Because Batman choose to the right person, but Joker choose to the bad person, right? Because he want to like revenge to someone who do that, like that. So I want to change the ending of the Joker. I want to make something like different from the movie. How about this movie is gonna be ending with the Joker is become a better person since there are someone who care about him. And I want to prove that empathy can make someone change. Something like that. So actually, Joker like an iconic for someone who need empathy from the social. He just want like attention from everyone. So he can be a better person, I think, if there is someone who care about him. Something like that.
Oh, that's so. I feel so pretty with Joker. And what about you?
We have another sense of sense, yeah, in here because I'm so play around here. And for me, from this movie, the idea of the movie, if I could change the ending, so the ending is the Celine, the mom, break up with her boyfriend, so she wants to take care of her daughter and start to leave her boyfriend. If you mind, as human beings, we have the freedom to choose to our own happiness and our own relationships, right? And I think as a mom, we do to care about ourselves first before we have to take care of our children. We don't have to feeling guilty because in this movie, her daughter is quiet enough to understand her mother, right? I mean, like she is a teenager, and she knows that her mom is divorced with her daddy. So I think it's okay to have a choose what we have to do with our decisions in life to fulfilling life, and as a children we can understand and support our parents' decisions. I think that's
Oh, oh my gosh. Both of you guys, it's really different, right? From Adriana and Neila. They have their own minds, actually. So, next question. I want to talk more about, have you ever found a fan fiction that turned out to be better than the original movies? One of you?
For me, I think not yet because I haven't had deep dive into this theme, the fan fiction theme, and I can say for sure, but I think it's interesting to explore more. And maybe in this holiday, I will watch all the movies in this theme. I
Oh,
guess.
literally all?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Okay. So you haven't found it.
Yeah, I
Okay.
haven't.
You will, but you will.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
I'm interested about it.
Okay. Take a notes, guys. Take notes. So, what about you? I want to know.
Okay. Same as Adriana, I
Okay.
haven't found any fan fiction that better than this movie. But I found some wait, I forget the title. There's some story that tell about the different version of the Batman.
Oh.
It's called The Killing Joke. Yeah, The Killing Joke. I have not read about this story. Maybe I will read
Okay.
after this.
So it's not a movie, but it's a novel or something.
It's just novel.
Oh, okay. There is no other movie. Oh, okay. Tell us if you're done with it.
Okay, I will make a review after that.
Okay, take notes.
Oh.
This one too. Okay, so next question: is there a movie that you like and want to remake? Oh, it's an interesting question for me. What do you think is? Do you guys have? Do you want to make a fan fiction? Maybe you can can make your imagination about it. Who's gonna talk first? Henry or Nela? Nela?
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
go first. Maybe it's something like continue from other conversation, right?
Okay.
That I want to change the ending of Joker. So maybe Joker, the
Joker.
movie. If I have a chance,
Yeah.
maybe in the future, right? I want to remake Joker.
Oh, it's good fun.
If it's me, I want to reverse the Selene in this movie character to be me. I mean, like, I want to be in a relationship with and musicians. Maybe it's like Dikta. Oh my god.
Oh.
He's so awesome. Yeah, I want to be the actress that would be opposite with him.
Oh, please, Tita.
Contact me, please. Contact me, please.
Okay, so it's gonna be the last question, girls. Please recommend a fun movie that you think you really should watch and why. You can talk to them. Andre, you have some?
I give rate for this movie. It's a 9 out of 10. So I highly recommended this movie. It's a light-hearted story that we can enjoy with a simple plot, and I love the emotional journey from the protagonist one. So you guys should have to watch this movie. Take a note, yeah. The Idea of You.
Okay.
The actress is Anne Hathaway. She's so beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay. I guess you really love it.
Yeah.
It's Andreana's recommendation. You can take a note, guys. And what about you? Maybe you have some recommendation for them?
Actually, a lot of movies, but I'm still on my
Let's
this
start.
one favorite movie, The Dark Knight. You guys have to enjoy this movie if you want to like make a different sense. Maybe you usually enjoy something like ordinary, but you have to choose and you have to try to watch The Dark Knight because it's really have a deep moral value inside it. Because the movie is will inspire someone and it can make you to be a better person, I think.
Oh my god. Maybe the recommendation is for me.
Okay, you can take a note. So
Yeah.
Oh, that was so wonderful, talking with you guys over here. So, thank you for coming.
Okay.
Thank you for coming in this podcast, and I hope you guys can come to our podcast next
Of course we can.
Okay.
and wait for them. they will make some
Okay, we
maybe
still have a promise, right?
Joker. Okay. So.
And Anji gonna read.
Oh yeah. But
She want to read fanfiction.
Yeah, another movie.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's still about the same like you did, like you said, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're having a good time. Thank you, Nada, for having us.
Nada.
Thank you,
Our
and thank you for
beautiful moderator.
coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming, and we're gonna see you on the next episode.
Okay, see you.
See you and bye bye.